Cold floors, noisy furnace kicking on and off, those annoying hot and cold spots in your house. We've all been there.
Yep, definitely frustrating.
Today, we're doing a deep dive into something pretty cool that solves that. Hydronic radiant floor heating. Basically using water to get things cozy.
Exactly. And our mission here is to really unpack the benefits, looking beyond just the sales pitch. We're digging into analysis from Pacific Blue Mechanical's website.
Ah, the North Vancouver experts.
Right. They focus on North Vancouver, which is, well, perfect for this kind of system, especially with British Columbia's, damp and chilly weather. We want to see why it works so well there.
Okay, let's start simple. How does this work? Explain it like I'm in third grade. And it's not forced air, right? You mentioned a warm blanket.
Yeah, think of it like that. A warm blanket for your floor. Instead of a furnace blowing hot air around that's convective heat, which causes drafts and uneven temps, you have a different system. There's a boiler, usually tucked away, that heats water efficiently. Then special pipes hidden under your floor carry that warm water all around the room.
Under the whole floor?
Pretty much, yeah. So the entire floor surface becomes this gentle, large radiator. It gives off radiant heat, like sunshine warming pavement. It warms you and the objects directly, not the air first. Super even warmth, no drafts.
That does sound way more comfortable. Now, Pacific Blue Mechanical serves a bunch of places, Vancouver, Surrey, Coquitlam, I saw on their site. But why the specific focus on North Vancouver in their analysis? Is there something about that area?
Well, it's really about the climate challenge there. North Vancouver gets those cold, damp winters, it really puts heating systems through their paces.
Right.
And what local experts, like those at Pacific Blue, have seen is that homes there, especially the ones with big open spaces, open concept living.
Yeah, lots of those now.
Forced air just struggles to heat those evenly. You get cold corners, drafts, but this radiant floor heat, it delivers consistent warmth wall to wall. It tackles that chill right from the floor up.
Okay, that makes sense. Let's dig into those benefits Pacific Blue Mechanical talks about. The big headline grabber is cost savings. Is it really that significant?
It really can be, yeah. The claim is substantial savings on utility bills, and they cite local North Vancouver case studies showing up to 40% reduction in heating costs compared to older systems.
40%? How does water under the floor do that?
It's about efficiency, mainly the operating temperature. Water is just much better at holding and transferring heat than air is.
Okay.
So the boiler doesn't need to heat the water super hot, often much lower temps than the air blasting out of a furnace vent. You're using less fuel, less energy to get the same or even better comfort level. That lower operating temp is the key to those big savings.
That's a huge number. But okay, putting pipes under your floor sounds expensive up front. Does the energy saving actually make up for that initial cost?
That's always the question, isn't it? And yes, the installation cost is higher than, say, swapping out a furnace. No doubt.
Right.
But the data, particularly from places like Pacific Blue Mechanical, looking at the long game, suggests the return is definitely there. These systems are built to last, we're talking 20, even 30 years or more.
Okay, durable.
Very. So you combine that longevity with those significant annual savings on your bills and over the life of the system. Homeowners often find it's actually a very smart financial move. It's more like investing in your home's infrastructure.
Okay, beyond the money, which is great.
Yeah.
What about just living with it? The site mentions it's quiet and helps with clean air.
Absolutely. Two big quality of life things. First, quiet. No fans blowing, no furnace rumbling on and off. It's virtually silent operation, just gentle warmth.
Nice. And the air quality, how does that work?
Well, think about forced air again. It's constantly churning the air in your house, right? Blowing dust, pet dander, allergens, all that stuff around.
Yeah, you see the dust motes in the sunbeams?
Exactly. With hydronic heat, there's no air movement needed to deliver the warmth. So you dramatically cut down on circulating all those particles. People with allergies often notice a huge difference. It's a real health benefit.
Cleaner air, quieter house. Sounds good. Anything else from the Pacific Blue analysis?
Yeah, one more thing related to the investment side. Especially in a competitive housing market like North Vancouver, having a high-quality, durable, super comfortable heating system like this, it can actually increase your property value. It becomes a real selling point.
Okay, that's a good long-term perspective, too. So let's try to wrap this up. What's the main takeaway for someone listening?
I think the bottom line, drawing from what Pacific Blue Mechanical highlights, is that Hydronic radiant floor heating offers this really compelling package. It's quiet, it's clean, it saves you money over time, and it delivers incredibly even, comfortable warmth.
A pretty strong case, especially for places with colder winters.
Definitely. And maybe a final thought to leave people with. Think about the future. This tech is already efficient, right?
Oh, yeah.
Now, imagine integrating it fully with smart home systems. Controlling zones from your phone, maybe it learns your habits, optimizes based on when you're actually home. How much more comfort and savings could that smart control unlock for you down the road?
Interesting. Smart floors. A cool concept to think about.
Yeah.
All right, well, if this has piqued your interest and you want to dive deeper into the specifics, installation details, maybe maintenance,
Yeah.
check out the Pacific Blue Mechanical website.
Yeah, they've got a lot of good info there.
And I noticed they have something like 500 Google reviews. That definitely says something about their local reputation and service in the North Vancouver area.
It certainly does. Worth checking out.